Namaste, friends. Today we're talking about something straight out of a sci-fi movie. A laser tank. Yes, Turkey has unveiled a fully functional hybrid laser tank called ALKA-KAPLAN. It can jam, track, and even shoot down drones using laser beams. This is not fiction. This is the future of warfare. Let's break down what it does and why it's important. The ALKA-KAPLAN is the world's first laser-equipped tracked combat vehicle. It's a result of collaboration between Roketsan and Best Group, two major Turkish defense companies. This tank doesn't fire bullets or missiles at drones. Instead, it uses electromagnetic jamming to disable, and if that fails, it uses a high-powered laser to literally burn drones out of the sky. It's designed for modern threats, like explosive drones and loitering munitions. The tank works in 3 steps. First, it detects incoming aerial threats using radar and sensors. Then it tries to jam them with electromagnetic interference. And if the drone keeps coming, it uses a laser beam to destroy it in mid-air. It's all powered by an AI-based targeting system, which tracks multiple threats at once and responds in real time. ALKA-KAPLAN is built for flexibility. It can be used in fixed positions, mounted on military vehicles, or even in a portable setup. Unlike other laser systems that need big power generators, this one runs on internal power, making it lighter, more mobile, and more efficient. This makes it perfect for urban defense, convoy protection, and even frontline deployment. So why is Turkey doing this now? Well, the answer is simple. Drones have changed warfare. In conflicts like Ukraine versus Russia, drones have been used to hit tanks, soldiers, and even cities. Traditional air defense systems are expensive and honestly pretty slow. A laser system, on the other hand, has no ammo costs, no explosions, and is almost silent. It's really the ideal counter for drone swarms and cheap aerial threats. This tank is not a one-off. Turkey is heavily investing in laser-based defense. They've already tested a laser pod for fighter jets and a truck-mounted laser system called Gökberk. All these are part of Turkey's plan to build a steel dome, a local alternative to Israel's Iron Dome. With ALKA-KAPLAN, they are adding lasers to their ground forces too. This is a big strategic step for Turkey. They are combining AI, mobility, and lasers into one platform, and that could give them a serious edge in asymmetric warfare, border defense, and export markets. In fact, many countries are now watching closely. With the drone threat growing globally, a mobile laser tank could soon be in high demand. Of course, it's not perfect yet. Laser weapons still struggle in bad weather like fog or rain. We don't know how the system performs against drone swarms or in real battlefield conditions. Also, AI targeting systems need long testing cycles to be fully trusted in combat. The real test will come when it's deployed live, possibly after the IDF 2025 Defense Expo. To sum it up, Turkey's ALKA-KAPLAN is not just a tank. It's a symbol of the next generation of warfare, smart, silent, and laser-powered. If successful, it could change how the world handles drone threats forever. What do you think? Will laser tanks become the new normal? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay curious, stay informed.